Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. To all of my subscribers and viewers, and dear friends who are not my channel subscribers, don't forget subscribe my channel. Those videos that I'm uploading nowadays are so meaningful and profitable to a lot of you guys. So last day or last few days I talked about my experience on Binance on daily spot, and I told you that I will upload more videos related to my daily spot. So today's video is I have good news, guys. Yes, good news to all of you, to all the traders. Yeah, guys. So um one day ago, or before 48 hours, 2 days ago, the BNB was $150, but today on 18 July, Monday, the BNB raised to $260. Yeah, and BTC, Bitcoin, raised to 22,200 or 199, as you can see. And also Ethereum raised to 1,487 dollars. And the news are so good that I watched my wallet was $230, and today, because the raise of Bitcoin, my wallet is 200. In my wallet the volume is $246. Yes, my dollars raised up. That's awesome, as you could hear. So I watched some of the some hints, sorry guys, and I will share you some of the good news, or I will share with you good news that I hear nowadays or today. For example, if Bitcoin breaks resistance of 22,500, that means today was 22,200. So if it breaks $22,500, then buy these given altcoins. I will show you the altcoins that you should buy in this video, so you will get profit 50 to 200%, easy and quick profit. So let's see. This is someone's Binance, it is not mine. So let's see what happened. So look, the Binance resists the yellow line. If the Binance resist goes up more than 22,500, it will pump. You will get profits from 50 to 200 profits percent. You should buy those bitcoins or altcoins, like rare rar this RARE, or FTT, or DOT, or Gala, or Mana. All of these big bitcoins or altcoins, if you buy them, you will get a lot of profits when the market raised from more than $22,500. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel, and all of those guys who are on trade, try to have a lot of profits from these coins, because Bitcoin are raising up. As you see, it's more than 22,191. If it's raised more than $22,500, you will get profits, that for sure. And all those coins that I showed you will make you a lot of profits. In let's see what happened in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, and thanks for watching.